Hey guys, Skyforce95 here, reviewing a really nice LED headlamp. This is by Blusmart. It's a 150 Lumen LED headlamp, and this is really cool for obviously hiking and maybe in the evening or even after sunset or maybe just before sunrise. So it's really handy for that purpose, and you can also use this for your car, which is what I usually use. So I normally store it in the trunk of my car with the rest of my emergency kit. What's really nice about this particular headlamp is that it has two different lights. So it has the regular white light, you can have the highest brightness and then a lower brightness and then blinking. And then the other button would be a steady red light and also a blinking red light for emergencies. And you can have them both on simultaneously with various amounts of combinations as you need fit. And not only that, it's also tiltable, so say you needed to work on your car at night, you need to take a look at your hood, but obviously since you're putting this on your head, on your forehead, which would be above your eye level, the light may not always be shining exactly where you're looking. So to fix that, they actually have a little tilting mechanism built right into the strap that you can angle it so that it can match where your eye level is. So I really appreciate the thought process they took into making this device ergonomic. The strap is also pretty comfortable to wear. I was able to wear it for prolonged periods of time without feeling any kind of annoying pressure against it, and it didn't leave any red marks on my forehead either. Battery life is also stellar. I haven't had to charge it once since I've used it. I don't use it extensively obviously, but I can at least attest to the standby time being quite good, so you don't have to worry about the battery being dead if you were actually in a pinch. But when you do need to charge it, it just charges via a very simple micro USB cable, which most people probably have. The rest of the design of this headlamp is also fantastic. It doesn't bulge out too much, so you can probably fit into pretty cramped spaces without worrying have to scratch this. It's also quite rugged. You can see the harder black plastic surrounding the LED lamps, and the buttons are also very tactile and easily feelable. You can easily tell which one you should be pressing for the white light and which one you should be pressing for the red light. After owning this product for about 2 months, I haven't been able to find any real downside with this product, so I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Go ahead and pick it up. It's at a great price at under $20. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.